Hello, good day friends, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a new quantitative platform that I'm going to be stacking USDT from. Now based on the conversion rates a naira is to a dollar, I'm going to be earning approximately around 27,000 naira plus, but you can earn above that depending on how much you are starting with. Now I'm doing this low upgrade based off the fact that most people do complain that they did not have capital to start up with for quantitative platforms as this, so that's why I'm starting up with a low capital. How do you get started on this platform? All you need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check down the pinned comments. Now how do you register? You sign up using an email, you set up a password, you confirm the password, and then you set up 6 payment digit number. So for your payment number is going to be 6. So let me log in now. Please make sure you listen to what I'm saying carefully. Now after you register on this platform, you are going to place withdrawal daily, instantly after registration. Instantly place withdrawal, because most people they just recharge their accounts and they don't withdraw. You are going to watch me withdraw right now, and so you are going to do the same thing. Now how do you recharge? Before you recharge, you are going to see the different level of quantification. How do you quantify? You are going to see an arrow pointing down at it. Quantification is the middle icon counting for both for my left and right. There's an arrow pointing down at it. So once I click on quantify, now this is it. There are different VIP level here. For this video I'm choosing VIP 1. I'm doing that because I want you guys to know that you can actually stack USDT little by little. However, this is not actually a financial advice. I'm just showing you guys the things I do in the crypto space to actually earn money. You understand? These are what quantitative platform. Now you can see each of the VIP level have different interests that it can give you. So I'm starting with around 12 USDT, right? So that 12 USDT is going to be giving me approximately around 2.02. Now I've already done my quantification process. So for you, after you are done recharging, now look at, if I click here now, you are going to see the VIP level is changing. So you can start with around 20 USDT, 30 USDT, 50 USDT, 100, but I'm going low so that you guys can understand that you can also achieve this kind of result too. Now I've made over, I can't even call. If you have been following my video, you are going to understand everything I'm saying right now. So after you are done with that, please make sure you are going to click on look my screen. There's an arrow pointing down at it. You are going to click on this bar. It's going to tell you click to start quantification. So for me, I've already started my quantification process. So after you click on this, you are going to earn an interest based on the amount you started off with. Are you getting me? So after you earn that interest, the next thing for you to do is to click on my account. My account is the last icon counting for my left and the first icon counting for my right. There's an arrow pointing down at it. So you can either click on my account or you go back to your home page. Now if you go back to your home page, you are going to see withdraw. Remember, if you want to recharge, you click on recharge. You can see recharge boldly here. Click on recharge and then you choose any network. There is BEP20 and there is TRC20 network address. So for me, if you have been following me, I love to make use of BEP20. So after you are done recharging, you come down here and you click on withdraw. So if I want to withdraw now, here is the secret. For you to withdraw, you are going to bind your wallet. Now please note that this is actually safe because you are receiving money, so you don't get feel worried. Now there's an arrow pointing down at it. You are going to click down this icon. So once you click down this icon, you are going to they are going to tell you to choose which network address you want to withdraw this money to. No, for me, I've already choose a network address which is USDT BEP20. So all you need to do is to go down to your wallet and then you copy the BEP20 network address and then you come here and click on add to wallet. So if you are doing this and you are listening to my video, you are going to understand. So if I click on add to wallet, I click on add to. So if I click on add to, you can see there is available BEP20. If I click on this icon, there is a TRC20 network address, but I urge you to make use of BEP20 because it's actually more faster. So when you are done with that, all you need to do is to paste down the address, and then you paste down the address on this bar and then you click on submit. After you are done with that, your address is already there. You understand? So after you are done with that, the next thing for you to do is to come here and place your withdrawal. You come back to the withdrawal homepage. So if I want to withdraw now, all I'm going to do now is to just click here my withdrawal amount. I want to withdraw everything because I'm going to be withdrawing everything on a daily basis. So now the next thing for me to do is to impute down that login password that I told you guys about. Remember, your login password, it is 6-digit number. So after you are done with that, you can see withdrawal fee is just 0. I click on confirm withdrawal. So my payment method, remember, select withdrawal method. I come here and click on it and I select. For me, I choose BEP20, right? So if I click on this icon, I can, please make sure if you don't understand, you can draw this video back and watch it patiently. I click on confirm withdrawal. You can see my application is successful. So if I go back and check it, you are going to see my withdrawal has actually arrived. So if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. You can also find your way to my Telegram channel to farm this alpha project I'm still shilling out to everybody. It is called Caladio Finance Testnet Mining. You can see it right here. So quickly now, let me go confirm our withdrawal. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video. So we saw the amount that was here before, right? It is still 157. So let's actually refresh and see. You can see it is 159. guys. So I withdrew approximately around 2.2 USDT plus. So let's actually see for ourselves our withdrawal history. So you see our withdrawal history, the 2.02 is actually, you have made a lot from all quantitative platforms as this. So quickly guys, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and you subscribe.